Is Pixlr not loading templates? Maybe the template page stays blank, keeps spinning, or shows an error when you try to open a design. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Pixlr template not loading issues in 2026. So let's get started. First, refresh the page and open the template section again. Temporary loading glitches can often stop templates from appearing correctly. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Templates are loaded from Pixlr's servers, so a weak connection can cause blank or stuck loading screens. Old or corrupted browser data can block template previews from loading. Clear your cache and cookies, restart your browser, and try again. Extensions like ad blockers or script blockers may interfere with template loading. Temporarily disable them and reload Pixlr. If templates still won't load, switch to another browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Different browsers may handle template rendering better. Sometimes the issue is not on your device. Pixlr's servers may be experiencing high traffic or maintenance, which can prevent templates from loading. I mean, server-side issues are out of your control. Close other apps or downloads that are using your internet connection. Heavy network usage can slow down template loading. Account session issues can sometimes affect template access. Sign out of Pixlr, then sign back in and try again. Using an outdated browser can cause compatibility issues with template previews. Update your browser to the latest version and reload Pixlr. Open Pixlr in incognito or private mode. This disables extensions and helps identify if something in your browser is blocking templates. And that's how to fix Pixlr template not loading in 2026. Most issues can be solved by refreshing the page, clearing browser data, disabling extensions, or checking for server issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.